Hi everyone, back to See Daily Quiz.
Are you ready? Let's start the quiz. Can you answer this?
Question 1. Which creature glows like a bulb in the dark? A. Butterfly. B. Firefly. C. Spider. D. Moth.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
Firefly. Question 2. Which tree looks like it's standing upside down? A. Oak tree. B. Baobab tree. C. Pine tree. D. Banyan tree.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
B. Baobab tree. Question 3. Which animal's skin looks like moss-covered stones? A. Snake. B. Tortoise. C. Frog. D. Chameleon.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
C. Tortoise. Question 4. Which bird is known to imitate human speech? A. Sparrow. B. Peacock. C. Parrot. D. Pigeon.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
C. Parrot. Question 5. Which sea creature has 8 arms? A. Starfish. B. Octopus. C. Dolphin. D. Jellyfish.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
C. Octopus. Question 6. Which mammal is known to lay eggs? A. Kangaroo. B. Platypus. C. Whale. D. Tiger.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
B. Platypus. Question 7. Which animal can sleep standing up? A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Horse. D. Camel.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
C. Horse. Question 8. Which bird can fly backward? A. Crow. B. Hummingbird. C. Eagle. D. Owl.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
B. Hummingbird. Question 9. Which reptile can detach its tail to escape predators? A. Lizard. B. Crocodile. C. Snake. D. Turtle.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
C. Lizard. Question 10. Which mammal can fly? A. Bat. B. Kangaroo. C. Dolphin. D. Leopard.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
A. Bat. Question 11. Which tree produces acorns? A. Pine tree. B. Oak tree. C. Coconut tree. D. Maple tree.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
B. Oak tree. Question 12. Which fish can blow itself up like a balloon? A. Clownfish. B. Pufferfish. C. Goldfish. D. Tuna.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
B. Pufferfish. Question 13. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A. Donkey. B. Camel. C. Horse. D. Elephant.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
B. Camel. Question 14. Which flower is known to bloom only at night? A. Sunflower. B. Jasmine. C. Moonflower. D. Rose.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
C. Moonflower. Question 15. Which bird is the fastest in the world? A. Eagle. B. Falcon. C. Sparrow. D. Owl.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
B. Falcons. Question 16. Which insect makes honey? A. Butterfly. B. Bee. C. Wasp. D. Ant.
Time's over. And the correct answer is...
By B. Bee. Question 17. Which tree is known as the tree of life? A. Banyan. tree B, baobab tree. C, neem tree. D, cedar tree.
Time's over, and the correct answer is
A, banyan. Question 18. Which animal can regenerate its limbs? A, crab. B, starfish. C, octopus. D, snake.
Time's over, and the correct answer is
B, starfish. Question 19. Which mammal can lay eggs? A, kangaroo. B, platypus. C, whale. D, tiger.
Time's over, and the correct answer is
B, platypus. Question 20. Which is the fastest land animal? A, lion. B, cheetah. C, horse. D, kangaroo.
Time's over, and the correct answer is
B, cheetah. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.